Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. In this Dress to Impress tutorial, we are surfing regal, drama, villain, energy, and fierce elegant with a look that's absolutely slay this Queen of Hearts looks. So whether you are rolling Wonderland or the runway, this fit is pure royalty. And let me show you how you can get the look. So starting from the hair, first I'm going to use this wavy hair, this one, and color it blonde. Combine it with this updo hair, this one in here, and use the same color. So that's it for the hair. And for the dress, first I'm going to just go to the dressing room in here and put on this long dress, this one. For the first color, I'm going to use the color the same with the skin tone. And for the second one, I'm going to use this hard patterns. Then I'm going to use another code item, this mini dress, and use the patterns. And then I'm going to also use this currency item, this dress, and toggle it into only the skirt. First preview, I'm going to wear the patterns. I think for all of it, just like this. So once you're done here, you can start with the other items. So first, I'm going to wear this sleeves in here and use the patterns. And for the top, I'm going to wear this top in here, the one at the top center. Toggle it into classic and use the same patterns. Okay, now you're just going to put on the accessory. So I'm going to put on the hat piece, this one, and change the color, the gems color, into red, like this. And also I'm going to wear this necklace. For the chains, I'm going to make it gold and the gems red, like this. And last one, I'm going to put on these earrings. And after that, the look is done. And so this is it. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks button below. Bye.